Well, Edie, that closed-door meeting ended about an hour ago, and I'm told no decisions were made. The focus of that meeting was the employment contract for the city attorney. The mayor tells me that to her, she believes that the city attorney should lose her job, but the city attorney tells me that her issue was a small issue and it was resolved quickly.
Say that I'm very disappointed. I mean, I'm an employee of the city. I'm entitled to due process and rights.
Tracy City Attorney Bijal Patel is at the center of several questions about her employment status. The State Bar, the organization that oversees attorneys, said she was not eligible to practice law in California starting on July 1st due to her license status. The Bar Association told KCRA3 last week that Patel missed the reporting deadline for required continuing legal education. Patel tells me she finished the hours but forgot to fill out the form. That triggered a financial penalty, and she was late on that too. Those issues led to a temporary change in her license status.
I didn't think I was really violating anything. I thought I was actually working with the Bar Association to solve the payment issue. I'm not the first person who has lapsed in payment of a fee.
Once that payment went through, Patel's license became active again as of August 1st. But what became controversial is whether she's still allowed to serve as the city attorney under the terms of her contract.
It rapidly blossomed into a lot of misinformation and what I thought was ultimately a court of public opinion.
The Tracy City Council met Monday night to figure out Patel's employment status. Mayor Nancy Young tells me Patel should be terminated, arguing she wasn't allowed to practice law in California during the time her license lapsed, which she says violated her contract. But Mayor Young says her biggest fear is that the city's legal work in July may be invalid because of Patel's license issue.
It has put our city in a compromised position, and I think that it was unnecessary.
It's a crying shame. Person should know better.
Before the closed-door session, members of the public spoke both in favor and against Patel.
Bottom line is the city attorney broke the law.
This is not a serious offense that warrants a termination.
Her actions are dishonest, reckless, and negligent.
We are trying her and convicting her in the court of public opinion.
But Patel says this was all a mistake and hopes she can continue in her role.
And I stand committed to doing that with the city of Tracy to the extent that the council body as well wants to keep me here.
And I spoke to the mayor about an hour ago after the meeting ended. She says while no decisions were made, discussions about the city attorney position will continue, but it is important to note that Patel is still the city attorney tonight. Reporting live in Tracy, Orkomanda, KCRA 3 News.